Good morning, dear students in grade 10 Al Mujtama Private School. How are you? Today's lesson is grammar, future tenses. First of all, let's start with our school vision. To prepare creative, well-educated students who are able to establish civilized awareness of society, stick to the authentic morals and values, in addition to using the modern technology. Dear students, remember that our value for this month is innovation, which means creativity. In the importance of science, the value of this week. Starter. Answer the following questions. What will you do after school? Where are you going to travel next summer? For me, I will prepare for the exams and I'm going to travel to Thailand next summer. What about yours? Our first objective to recognize future well by answering the given question in worksheet 1 using grammar reference. Dear students, in English we don't have one future tense. We use several forms to talk about different ideas about the future. Will future. We use will plus infinitive to make offers, promises, and predictions based on no evidence. We use will when there is no prior plan to or decision to do something before we speak. We make the decision at the time of speaking and we can say it on spot decision or quick decision. We can express future by using will plus infinitive in case of offer. I will help you to study math. I will help you with the homework. In case of promise, I will always love you. Mom, I will call you when I arrive to the party. Prediction with no evidence. It will rain tomorrow. The fortune teller told me that I will win the lottery. Look at the picture and tell me what will you do? For example, I will paint, I will draw, I will do my homework. You can use different pronouns with will. I will, they will, we will, you will, he will, she will, and it will. Examples for future will. I will visit the museum tomorrow. We will be late for work. So, pause the video and say your own examples. And here is a worksheet 1. Think about the questions. Do you think we will? Excellent have because will must be followed by infinitive. We'll have a test tomorrow. You can take my car. I will need it next weekend. Complete or correct the verbs between brackets. I think it will rain tonight. It's a prediction with no evidence. Probably, I'm not sure. Yusuf will not come today. I'm not sure. Ahmed will visit his grandparents next week. Rewrite the given sentences with correct form of the verb between brackets. You can pause the video and present your own answers. Okay, now Let's check your answers. I will have an exam tomorrow. Next week she will travel to Kuwait. Let's move to the second objective, to recognize future be going to by answering the given question in worksheet 2 using grammar reference. Going to future. We use going to future to talk about things that we personally plan to do in the future. So it's for plan or intention. And prediction based on evidence. So we are going to use verb to be plus going to plus infinitive. For example, what are they going to do? I am going to draw. They are going to do their homeworks. We are going to do our homeworks. You are going to draw a picture. He is going to do his homework, and so on with she. Let's know some activities for examples. I'm going to study medicine at university or Universidad Trail. He's going to spend his summer vacations in Vina de la Mar. She's going to the party on Friday night. I'm going to take French classes next year. So with I, use am going to. With he or she, use is going to. With plural, use are going to. Other examples of future going to. I have a test. I'm going to study hard. It's getting dark. It's going to rain. Now it's your turn to say your own examples. Worksheet 2 by going to. The weather is cloudy. Here is an evidence, so you can predict with going to. It is going to rain. I am going to visit my cousin today because he's tired, so there is an intention to do that. Correct the verbs between brackets. I have the tickets. I am going to watch the film at cinema. It's my plan. It's getting dark. He's going to be late. There is an evidence here. He made his mind. He is going or he is not going to visit him. Present continuous. We use present continuous to talk about things that we have arranged to do in the future. We know exactly when they are going to happen. It is used to near future. For example, he's playing football this afternoon. She's arriving tomorrow morning. I'm going to the party tonight. Are you working next week? Present simple. We use present simple to talk about future events that are part of schedule or timetable. For example, the plane arrives at 12 p.m. The bus doesn't arrive at 11 a.m. It arrives at 11 p.m. The train to London leaves at 6:15. What time does the movie begin tonight? Now, check exercise B at page number 73. Pause the video and present your own answers. Hello again, let's check answers together. 1. Karim, I have got a meeting at 6 p.m. So I'm going to get home late because there is an evidence here. B. Well, I won't be at home when you get back because there is a linker here. When? Where are you going? To Salem's? Yes, for a while, and then we are going to the park in my car. It's our plan. A. Be careful. You only passed your driving test last week. Don't worry, I'll make sure I have my mobile phone with me. It's a promise. I will call you as soon as we get back to Salem's house. There is a linker here, as soon as. Besides, we won't be late. It's a promise. We are going to cook dinner for Salem's parents later in the evening. It's our intention and plan. Let's close our lesson today with this closure. Read the sentences and rewrite them using the words in brackets. Do you think we will write a test tomorrow? 2. I space wear blue shoes tonight. You can use I will wear or I'm going to wear blue shoes tonight. My mother is going to cook dinner for us later. Next year, as it's a fact, in the future next year, I will be 15 years old. So thank you for your kind attention, and I can say you goodbye for this lesson, and let's see each other next video inshallah.